Hello and welcome to another vlog. It is a beautiful day today. It's what, in 60s. The temperature is in 60s, so we are headed for brunch in the city. It's been like what, 4 months since we were in the city, so yeah, I'm excited. And as you can see, I don't have any jacket on, so it's a really beautiful day. We're going to Bud and Maryland's in Philadelphia City, and yeah, I'm excited for. Yeah, it's windy though. Got our drinks. What did you get?
I got the Maryland's OF.
Maryland's OF, yes.
Yes, this is brandy and
Yeah, this is brandy and some more things. I don't know. And this is raspberry and lime and something else too. I don't remember. But oh, and ginger ale. But this is non-alcoholic. So I got fried chicken bucket, some coleslaw, hot sauce, and pickles, and you have French toast.
yeah, the apple
And
French toast.
yes, and eggs over hard. But this is a lot of food. Okay, we are done with our brunch. Food was really good. Ate a lot, but now it's getting very windy, so we are headed back home. Oh, took a few outfit pictures too. Yeah, and we don't really have anything planned for today, so it's going to be kind of nice, chill day. And then I really want to make like for dinner potato curry, like the Indian potato curry, so I'll make that in the evening. But yeah, I think we're just gonna be relaxing today. So instead of going straight back to home, we instead stopped by the house site that we have, and we're just going to take a look at what the status is and what stage they're at. They're still in the process of making the whole thing, so we are back home now, and I think I'm probably going to be sitting here for an hour. I'm very tired from eating and sitting in the car. But after that, I'm going to make dinner. I do need to write a blog post. I did not publish yesterday's post, so I need to work on that, and then also schedule my post for Monday. I'll leave my blog link in the description bar below. But yeah, I do need to work on that, but I don't think I'm going to be doing any of that today. Probably tomorrow. But tonight I think I'm not going to do much. I'm just going to relax, eat more food, and sleep. See you later. So while the dinner is cooking, I'm going to wash my face and give my skin some time to breathe. Let me know if you guys want to see my skincare routine. It's not, I mean, I wouldn't say I am like an expert in skincare and stuff, but you know, if you guys want to see what I do, what I use, you know, I'll be sure to do another video on that, but let me know in the comments. Hello, good morning. It is the next day. I just had my breakfast, and now I'm going to get a little bit ready. Today on the agenda is we are shooting one of my husband's friends pictures and doing groceries. I also need to paint my nails. I was thinking to go to a nail salon, but I might go there next week or the week after. But yeah, today I might just do it myself. And then I need to tidy up the living room a little bit because the stuff is kind of like everywhere. I need to take pictures for one of the collaborations with the brand that I'm doing, and then work on the video and blog post for this week. So yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to do all that, but definitely going to get ready a little bit, so that gives me some motivation to work and be more productive.
Like you, girl, you're so warm like summer. Girl, you're so warm like summer.
So this is what I'm wearing. This sweater is from Pink Blush Maternity, and it's nice and long, so you know, again, my bump can rest in there nicely. I put my hair back in a clutcher, so it's not all over my face. I think I need to curl these front pieces a little bit more so they fall nicely, and I'm out of breath after changing clothes. Okay. Also, I just put this perfume on, and this is one of my favorite scents ever. This is Chloe Nomade. I finished more than half, and I got this like I think in 2018. But yeah, this is one of my favorite scents. It's so feminine, but still, you know, not very fruity or floral, which I like. I'll link it down below. So we are here to take the pictures, like I mentioned before. I'm not going to take any video of that, any footage for that. But yeah, I'll see you guys after we are done with the photo shoot. Okay, so we are finally back home. We took their pictures, and we went for lunch, and then we went to Target to get some to get a gift for one of our friends, baby. But I saw these and I just found them so cute. Two are in pink, but you know, babies can wear anything they want. And then I also got these. So cute. But yeah, I'm just going to change, do some work on my laptop, and don't really have anything planned for the evening, but I do need to plan my next week in my planner, so some of the things that I need to do. It is much later now. I'm going to wash my face, put on a face mask. The one that I'm going to use today is this. This is from Summer Friday. It's their overtime mask. I think it's kind of an exfoliating mask, and I really need that, and I'm really tired now. Even though I did take a nap in the evening, but I'm still tired. So I'm just going to wash my face, put on the face mask, relax on the bed. I just need to schedule a blog post. It's all done. I just need to do some SEO stuff, and then schedule it for tomorrow. I'll link the blog post down below. It went out either this week or the last week. I'm not sure when this blog is going, vlog is going to go up. But yeah, I'll link it down below. I'll also link my blog down below, so please take a look. And yeah, oh my god, I am always out of breath. But yeah, I'm sad the weekend is over, but Next weekend it's going to be a long weekend because I get the off for Martin Luther King Day. So yay! I hope you guys enjoyed this. You know, this weekend in my life. This is kind of what my weekends generally look like. Sometimes I do a little bit more, sometimes I do a little bit less. And with pregnancy, I'm doing a lot less than I used to do before. But if you want to see, let me show you. If you want to see my bump, let me show you. It is actually quite big at night. Here it is. I am 23 weeks and 2 days, yes, right now. And it is kind of like big right now at night. I'm also starting to feel the baby move and kick a little bit sometimes, which is really exciting. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on my pregnancy as well. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.